I have my little sidekicks in the back, so if you see me looking over, that's why. So welcome to the channel. I'm the voice behind the recipes. I'm Shay. Nice to meet you guys. It's finally good to see you, right? So I'm gonna try to do this in one shot, one take. That's how I roll. But if I need to cut and edit, I will. So right now, say hi, Erin.
Hi.
Say hi, Ari.
Hi.
Those are my babies. One is going to help me remember the giveaway rules. So today, I first want to start off by telling you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for following, subscribing, sharing my videos. Like, since I've been posting my keto videos, there's been so much growth to my channel and so much exposure. And I'm mesmerized. I'm so thankful because I started this about 3 years ago. I love to cook, and what I was doing, I started off trying to just post recipes, but then YouTube made it really difficult to get any kind of exposure. They changed their algorithm. I got caught up in that, and I kind of got discouraged and gave up. Oh, it's been about a year. It's been a year since I found keto, and I've been eating that way off and on, and I have a multitude of health issues, and we'll get into that later. But first, I want to tell you guys the purpose of this video is to show you guys, show you me, and also let you know about this awesome giveaway. I have 5 awesome sponsors, companies that if you are observing the keto way of eating, you know of these companies, and I'm mesmerized because I'm a small fry, and they actually took a chance and sent me products for you guys for the purpose of giving to my subscribers, whoever can win this giveaway. So I'm trying to kick off a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I know I'm not there yet, but we're going to speak it into existence. Just like anything else in life that you want, you claim it now. So I'm claiming 1,000, I'm claiming 10,000, I'm like, sky's the limit. So we're doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway now at 705 subscribers. So we're going to do this. We're going to go ahead, and I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to receive. Some of the items, so I was about to get all into the giveaway, and I think maybe I should start with my journey. I grew up, I was never overweight. I was not an overweight child by any means, but through having children, being under a lot of stress, having a lot of health issues, I ended up being over 430 pounds. The last time I was able to clock my weight was at 432 pounds. It got to a point where I was heavier. I was heavier than the doctor's scale. I was heavier than the gym scale. I exceeded the largest sizes in clothing for almost any store. It had to be those stores where you order online and everything is super stretchy, but not in a jegging, hold you in type of way. It was just like, throw in this sheet, be happy that your nipples are covered, that's it. And so it was depressing. Getting dressed up was depressing, going places was depressing, feeling cute was depressing, life was depressing, right? So what I did, I tried different things. I'm not a risk taker, so I didn't try pills or anything like that, but I did Weight Watchers a few times. And then I tried going gluten-free, and then I went low carb, and a few of those, they helped. But then I found keto, and I started researching it, and I'm still in the research phase. Even though this has been off and on for a year, I still consider myself a newbie in this field. So trust me, we can rock this together because I am by no means an expert, and I fall and I get right back up. So if you want to fall and get up with me, you're in the right place. So my kids are looking at me like, seriously, Mom, you're being so transparent, right? Okay, so this is the thing. As far as the health conditions, like I said, I had already hit minimum, well, because I'm not going to say maximum, I was at least 432 pounds. And I ended up having, I have now an abnormal heart rate, so I have that condition. I am type 2 diabetic. I have chronic inflammation. I am in pain on a daily basis, so I do suffer from chronic pain, and sometimes, you know, the pain is so much that I won't be able to move. So this is life, and I'm just trying to make the most of it, because on those days where I'm inflamed and I can't move and I'm like more blown up than I am normally, a lot of, you know, the scale registers at a weight gain, and then that becomes like a mind game. It becomes so discouraging, but I have to tell myself this is mind over matter. So what I've been doing, you know, I have arthritis, I have so many issues, but I'm not going to dwell on them. And so what I do, you know, I do take some supplements. A B12 supplement is great when you are diabetic, for circulation as well. It's beneficial when you're on a keto. I'm not going to say diet, the keto way of eating, the keto way of life. I have a few medications that I'm on. You know, it's just, we can get into details. If you have questions, just type them in and I will answer them. But I am on Instagram on Shay Goes Keto, and I have a Facebook group called Keto Without Your Panties in a Bunch, because I notice a lot of the keto police and, you know, people who tend to be experts or who are just miserable with their own lives, they like to target people. So I pretty much like to chill and be laid back and call it a day. Stay out of my face, I stay out of yours, and we can be friends. So next, so that's the health part of this. With the combination of Weight Watchers and eating gluten-free and low carb, I may have lost about 20 to 30 pounds every time, gain them right back, plus. So I've lost the same 20 and 30 pounds and gained them back for at least like 4 years, seriously. So when I started eating ketogenically, I noticed I lose a lot of, not weight, but a lot of inflammation. I have registered some losses on the scale. I'm at 360 now, and I started at, like I said, the 432, and then it caps. I don't know how my gym and my doctor's scale maxed out at that, but that's what it is. So what I've been doing is just eating keto, low carb, high fat, moderate protein, and I'm in the same struggle as you are. So other than that, what I'm trying to do is just kind of, you know, connect with people who have the same struggle as I do, connect with people of the same mindset, and just create my own support group. I don't know a lot of people who are overweight. I don't know a lot of people who eat ketogenically. You know, most of the people in my family, they're pretty healthy. You know, nobody has seen an overweight number on the scale. So for a long time I was like, oh, this is pretty lonely, you know. So like I said, right now I'm at 360. I've even gained since last year and lost again about 10 pounds, but I've been pretty much plateaued at 360. I'm attempting to get like really focused on this and really serious, and not just fall off or, you know, binge when I'm in pain. I'm gonna tell you guys, it's pain being a woman. Shark Week, ladies, Shark Week, right? I eat all the things, everything. So I am trying and I hope that you can try with me. Encourage me. I'm going to encourage you. But that's enough about me. I will try to I need my water. These lights are hot, y'all. So hi baby. So what I'm going to do is show you guys some of the products for my upcoming giveaway. It starts now. The giveaway is the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. You get a box of goodies. It's open to U.S. residents only. Right now I can't really ship out of the country. I can't ship internationally. So for now, this is US residents only. I have, like I said, 5 good sponsors. One is the Real Good Food Company. They are giving you guys a free item for whoever the winner is. I have Southern Keto Cookbook. You guys, this cookbook, let me get a little close. Hopefully you can see it. I love this cookbook. You know, particularly, and I'm not even a biscuit fan, but this drop biscuit recipe, y'all. So screenshot it. Go to Amazon. I will have a link in the description. Or you can just try to win it. You know, try to be the winner. The author of this cookbook, Natasha Newton, she's the truth. I reached out to her. I said, would you be willing to give one cookbook to one of my subscribers? And she's like, yes. You know, no questions asked. Whoever the winner is, she's going to ship it herself. So thank you so much. Natasha, your cookbook is great. I support you, and I thank you for supporting me. The next company is, y'all, we're adults, right? I hope everybody's here adults. So let me cover up my address. This company, RSVP Skinnies, they have mixers for your alcoholic beverages. So you see, they sent me a box. It got my name on it. This is my Instagram name, so follow me at Shay Goes Keto. So I'm gonna try to get close. So they sent the different kinds of mixers for your alcoholic beverages. These are one net cart. So this one is cranberry twist. This one is Moscow Mule. This one is Baja Margarita. So I'm gonna just choose one out of the 3, and somebody's gonna win these. Will win one of these. They also sent me a nice note, and they gave me a discount code for my subscribers for $5 off of their website. So I'll put the code there. The promo code is Keto Mixer. So it's KETOMIXER. That's the promo code. And the website is rsvpskinnies.com. Remember again, they are very low carb alcohol mixers. You can put it with whatever you like to drink. And it has recommendations, like drink mix recommendations on the side of the box. So whichever one I send to the winner, you'll be able to see that as well. So we have the Southern Keto Cookbook. We have RSVP Skinnies. We have Lily's Chocolate. Lily's Sweets. Everybody know of Lily's. They are the mecca when it comes to low carb and chocolate. If you want chocolate on keto, Lily's. Okay? Lily's. So Lily's have sent the coupon for a free item. Back to Real Good Foods. Real Good Foods, I don't know if I said it before, but they are sending a free item coupon. And they do have microwave meals, super low carb. They are very popular in the keto community. I like some of their items as well. I reached out to all these companies, and none of them hesitated to support. And they encouraged me, and I'm so thankful for them. So the last one is the new guy on the scene. And since I'm the new girl on the scene, I'm going to show you guys. I want to show you guys the package. So they too have sent a coupon code. The coupon code is for 20% off your first order from Quevos. And once again, these are Eggwhite chips. This is what some of them look like. So they have sour cream and onion. Yes, sour cream and onion. This is 3 net carbs, guys. Gluten-free, lactose-free, soy-free, keto friendly, made from egg whites, good source of protein and fiber. We have Quevos rancheros. So this one, obviously, the whole line is made from egg whites, and these are 3 net carbs as well. So guys, like, just give them a shot, look them up. I'm going to be putting all of the links to all of the companies in the description box below, and just check them out. Check out what they're about, what they're doing. There's so much innovation in the keto community. This is a heavy supply and demand. We're saying, hey, we're not going to eat this standard American diet. We want different. We want better. And these companies are listening. And even if you're not a big major YouTuber with, millions or thousands and hundreds of thousands of subscribers, they're listening and they're willing to support you. They're willing to let you try their products. Just reach out. So in this goodie box, the box of goodies, I am sending you guys, remember, the coupon for the free item for Real Good Foods, the coupon for the free items of Lily's chocolate, the 2 packs of the Quevos chips. You're getting a Southern Keto Cookbook from the author herself. She will be shipping that out to the winner. And then last but not least, you're getting a package of the RSVP Skinnies, the mixer for the alcoholic beverages. So just a few disclaimers. Once again, you must be a United States resident. You must subscribe to my channel. You must like this video, and you must share the video with the hashtag KLWShay giveaway. I'll put that on the screen too. It's KLWShay, stands for Kitchen Living with Shay giveaway. That's the hashtag. I'll be checking all the social medias. I'll be reaching out to whoever the winner is. You guys, thank you for your support. Thanks for checking me out. I guess I'm supposed to do one of those front, back, side, like progress things. I'm gonna tell you now, in the past I wasn't doing that because I could barely dress myself, so why would I want to see myself, right? So here I am, forward and side, gotta swing my hips, and behind, and the other side, and the front. So once again, thank you guys for checking me out. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys. More videos to come. I'm not gonna stop. Like, I found something that works for me. It's working for me. There's a difference, and it's making a difference in my life. Check out the giveaway. I want somebody to win this stuff. And my heart goes out to you because I'm so thankful and I'm so grateful for you guys to even come my way. This contest is the giveaway will end on September 7th. So that's next month. It's going to run a week. September 7th is the cutoff. I'll be choosing the winner and you'll have 24 hours to respond, or I'm going to go ahead and choose another winner. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.